Olympic ski runs, one massive halfpipe and state-of-the-art facilities. We're on our skis and hitting the slopes right here on Drone and Phone.
Well, welcome to the fourth episode in our Chongli Ski Series. We're here in Genting. Other than it's very cold, tell us a little bit more about this place, Jack.
Genting Ski Park. This is where the 2022 Olympic Games was held. The Winter Olympic got all that here. You can see the half pipe. They got the chasing and all that. But now it's open to public, and I will experience that.
It's the only place, only Olympic venue that you're actually able to ski on yourself. Right, I'm still injured today, so I'm not going to be skiing, but I'll be looking around, hopefully getting up to the top. Jack, time to get your skis on.
Over the last 10 years, there's been an impressive growth of ski resorts around China, which now provide a real alternative to other ski destinations in Asia. In this series, we review 5 resorts in the Chongli district, just north of Beijing. In the last episode, we'll show you how to get there, navigate the hotels, rent equipment, and get the best deals.
Looking about 24,000.
For full transparency, we were given free ski passes for this series, but were not paid to promote it. The review is an honest opinion from 2 seasoned intermediate skiers. In the 4th episode, we are just over the hill from Wanlong Resort, which we reviewed in the last episode, and once again we pass quickly through the gear rental.
So the ski match your size, so they will do the measurement for you. Also they will evaluate accordingly, depends on your ski level and your height and your weight. Then you'll have a proper ski fitting your level.
We notice that most people don't bother with a locker, but just leave their old shoes in one of the many shoe racks around the resort.
So the trick here is, if you want to avoid having to get a locker and having to pay for a locker and the problems you have with the WeChat app, just wear an old pair of shoes that you can just leave behind and come in your ski gear ready to ski. Then you'll be able to pick up and get going very, very quickly.
Be aware that the resort here has 2 names, Genting and Secret Garden, but we were told to search for Secret Garden when looking for good deals.
Good luck for this year.
As you may expect from an Olympic venue, the front desk staff speak English, all the signage have English translation, and it has a ski school with English-speaking instructors. But as you may also expect from an Olympic venue, there are more people and higher prices than the other resorts.
Well, I was told they have the most number of skiers in the whole country. Have a look at the lift. Now we know.
Well, this is the first time on this trip that we've had to queue for a lift, but the queue's not too bad. Hopefully it'll be through in about 5-10 minutes, but it seems like it's a rare thing.
Like other resorts in Chongli, the season starts from early to mid-November through to the end of March or early April, depending on the weather. Once at the top of the lift, we bump into 2 English teachers from South Africa enjoying the spring holidays.
How's the skiing here?
It's his second time coming. It's my first time.
Yeah.
Beginner to intermediate. Just feeling it out today.
Yeah.
But looking forward, man.
How long are you skiing for?
We're skiing for about 3 days. Leaving
Okay.
on Friday.
Okay. Have fun. Enjoy it. Yeah. Thank you.
A visit to Genting offers you the bragging rights to say you've skied on an Olympic slope. The resort also boasts 16 kilometres of ski runs to enjoy, as well as a few off-piste runs, all serviced by fast modern lifts.
So while Jack is out skiing, I'm going to have a nice hot cup of coffee inside this cafe. I just came to get a coffee here to warm up. You have to use a WeChat app, which wasn't working, but fortunately a very kind lady went and bought one for me. So just be prepared. You might have to ask people for help when you come to the snack bars.
As is the case with Wanlong, you can buy a ticket that allows you to ski in both Genting and Wanlong for the day.
If you have a joint ticket, here is where you go to Wanlong Ski Park. So we're in Genting Resort Secret Garden. There you go.
As Jack moves to the side of the resort, the crowds thin out and he once again finds no lines at the lifts.
Okay, I'm on the lift 6. There's no queue at all. Basically, just hop on. You can see I'm on the chair all by myself. The seat are actually, all the seats are heated, so you won't be having a cold bottom when you take the lift up. And also you have the wind shield that you could put on if it's snowing or wind blowing, but I don't need it. I want to enjoy the view.
Well, I was saying before that there are queues here, but now the queues have completely gone by the time I've come down, so it must have just been a short thing. So again, as before, no queuing, straight onto the lift.
There are 4 hotels around the resort, 2 of which are run by the ski company. In our searches we found deals as low as 808 yuan for a one-night hotel, including 2 ski passes and breakfast. Ski gear is another 200 yuan on top.
Okay, finished my first ride. This is gonna be my second one. This time I'm going to take the same run as the Olympic athletes. They lower the difficulty level a little bit, but it's still the same course. Let's go. Lovely.
As well as the Olympic ski run, you can also have a go at the half pipe, which is open to the public. The ski jump is, however, closed, just in case you were hoping to throw yourself off a 60-metre tall scaffolding.
Tea break, then maybe another 2 rides.
As with the other resorts, there are mogul runs and a ski park with jumps and rails, so plenty to keep you occupied. There are also beginner slopes for lessons and some more gentle long runs from halfway up the mountain.
Well, that's the end of this episode. It's been a beautiful day here at the Olympic Park. How's it been for you?
The sunny day ski experience is really precious. I'm sorry for you, but I had a blast.
I missed the skiing, but I had a great sightseeing. I mean, lots of things to see here with all the Olympic events that happened here and other things going on. There was a competition as well that I watched for a while. Now, if you're finding...
As always, if you're finding this for the first time, you'll find all the other Chongli Ski episodes, as well as lots more on our website at droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel. For now, this is DJ and Jack signing off from a cold but sunny secret garden.
This is a new funding. DJ was wandering around and he took me here. Oh my god, this is a cameraman or videoman's paradise. Yeah? If you want to film and you broke your equipment or you forgot something, here we go. Everything you need.
In a vending machine.
Vending machine, just scan the code and you buy it.